You see? Yes, sir.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're having a family day. We're cooking some food. Say hi, Jessica. Jessica.
Hello.
So Jessica is there. Justin, say hi.
Hello.
And Jose just went outside. We're cooking some food, and we are also cooking for Mr. John. Some chicken left over here. Over here we're doing the rice and peas. French fried chicken. Guys, don't mind my pot. Open, don't say anything about my pot. I love this frying pot or pan or whatever you want to call it. If it is frying pan, guys, let chicken fry good or fish, don't Sean? At the best pot. So I not change it. No matter what say me not change.
No, I brother and Nancy pot. You know the pot and Nancy not to wash out. You know say cook make me see her food.
Yeah man, like this. And Jessica doing vegetable. Over here we have some barbecue sauce. Well, I'm just boiling it down because I'm gonna put the chicken, the French fried chicken in it. Over here we have some macaroni that just cooked. We're gonna make some macaroni salad and something. And over here Junior did some oxtail pressure last night. He's gonna cook that now. The rice over here, so wash. And this gonna go in the macaroni. And I forgot to put the what's your name? This thing. Irish potato when it was boiling, so I'm gonna boil it separately, then add it to it. Yes, guys. So everybody's in the kitchen cooking. There's Sean. Sean, say hi.
Hi.
Yep, we're all cooking. Maya, cook to Maya.
I want to help.
You wanna help? Justin doing lettuce over here. So Justin, he says don't take off anymore. That's all right. You don't need no more. So we have cabbage and carrots. Yes, guys, so stay tuned, We're making sure that Mr. John gets a lovely dinner this evening. Yeah, man, so now the peas boil already. The peas boil already. I'm going to put the rice in it now. I'm going to put some butter first. And I have skeleton and thyme and everything down there already. I'm going to put some butter. And then I'll show you. Leave that, Maya, leave that.
Where should I put this?
My big girl. Jessica? My big girl cooking. And Justin over here. So you Justin? Cooking?
Not cooking.
What you doing? Vegetable?
Vegetable.
You wash them properly?
Yeah.
Put them down in there. It doesn't say wash something.
I was doing that because I don't want to do that.
You wash the tomato them too? You must remember this. You must wash tomato here. Daddy will cut them. Alright, so how's he going to take out the chicken now? Because they're ready. And the barbecue sauce over here, so ready to put some chicken in. This one, because we have 2 more pieces to fry. So I just cover up this until it's ready, not sure, until the is finished. I could have just put the barbecue sauce on and put in the oven, but I'm not doing that. Stay tuned, guys.
I like coconuts.
But I'm gonna get one.
I was trying to do a footy.
What I can
Half.
The whole heap. That's all that much.
Enough it off at one time. Alright. So Mr. John's dinner is ready, guys. Yep. So my husband is going to take it to him now. So stay tuned for that.
Good evening, guys. So I'm taking Mr. John's dinner to him right now. Wifey asked me to bring it to him. Very warm day today. Evening is beautiful. Sun is shining. Well, it started out this morning very cloudy, dark as if rain was going to fall. But turns out, beautiful day. Sir John, have a nice evening, alright?
Alright,
Blessings.